which is bigger, and did not knock it down. Because at the oxer, you lean forward too soon. You understand what that does to the horse? Presses down just as the horse is trying to come up.
Wait for the horse.
I'm not yelling at you because you got a little close, or someplace else you stood off a little bit. I don't care. I'm yelling at you because you are not part of the horse's motion all of the time. See, if the horse stands off, we should bend over. Go with the horse. You know, maybe we're standing off a little bit too far, but don't listen to the coach. Have some fun. Bend over, jump it, right? If you see you're going to be in close, wait. Let the horse jump pop up in front of you. Good, Colleen.
This stupid thing.